And if you clean out your material, your hopper gun, if you're going to buy one, just make sure you clean it out really good and get it all ready for the next job. Then you're good to go. So we got quite a bit left in here.
Got a little dark spot over there by the plug. Little dark spot.
Oh. Mr. Inspector says you got a little dark spot next to the plug over there.
Oh yeah, that's okay. It's I don't know what that is, but
It's one little.
Yeah, there you go.
there we go.
Okay.
Stuff happens sometimes. It'll come off. But I think we're achieving
Nice.
what we want here. And we're going to have a nice finished surface here. So, yeah. I'm going to use my hand to get this out. I usually have a big old spoon, but
Or a spoon.
big old spoon to get it out. But because I was kind of half asleep this morning, I was still over at the ocean in my mind.
Because you just got back from the ocean yesterday, huh?
Yeah, we just, so I was like, I called Bonnie last night about 7 and told her, hey, maybe we can do this today. And so I'm glad I got this part done, so when I come back next time, I can seal it and paint it all in one day and be done.
Right.
And then you'll have that done. You'll have the major.
Lights on.
Yeah, I won't have you come back until all these lights get done and those patches are done up there and
one day.
and all that. Yeah.
One day I.
We'll let you know.
Yeah, one day I can come back and have that, done. So I should have just dumped this other back in here, but we'll go like this. Now I can save this because I think I got another texture job maybe coming up. And
But
we've used more than half a box here,
Yeah.
which is only $8.
yeah, so $4 for the mud.
So $4 for material. Well, mud. Then you
Yeah.
got your tape and
Yeah.
plastic.
You're right.
But, which is.
I thought you were going to save that in the bucket, but you can leave it in this plastic bag for a
then we're
while.
done. Yeah, then we're good to go. I'll wrap it up real tight. I'll put a little lid of water on top, and then it'll be good to go.
Yeah, show us how to do that because.
Mix it all up again. I can mix it, the whole box if I'm going to do a job, and then have a whole box ready to go. So you're not really wasting any material.
Yeah. I want to see how you wrap this plastic bag up because once that crusty's dry, you don't want that in your mud.
No, I try to get it all off the edges, like that. Yeah, because anything that dries and goes in your gun will, so what I usually do is take a wet rag, get that off of there a little bit,
Oh, rub it on the plastic
get that off.
to minimize the crusties for later.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go.
And then the water that goes in there will help with it. So it should be all right.
Yeah, even the outside because that's where most of your major crusties are going to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good thinking, Batman.
Yeah, and then, and then if you open it up again, you feel a little bit of stuff on top, just skim it off and throw it out.
Yeah.
Because you're not talking about a major loss of expenses.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you just kind of wipe it down, just kind of do a once over on it and get it to where you don't have great big pieces of mud laying on your box. So then you're pretty much good to go for the next job. And then I'll float a little more water on top.
Because you can always dump that out if you have too much water for the next
Exactly.
one. Or
Yeah. It's not like you've ruined something. It's like there's always a remedy. Just don't get too excited. Just stay calm and keep her going. And then I'll put the twist back on there, which is right here. And then we're good to go for the next one. So I'm putting my trowels in here.
all right.
And I'm going to take this outside and wash it out outside here with the rag and everything. So this part of the project, then by the time I come back in, I think I'm going to be able to trowel that off on what we just did that is still too wet.
Right.
So I think we're pretty good. We got some wider stuff here and there, so it's, you know, it's kind of got a little bit of look. I've even seen guys come back with a texture, if they want bigger areas, with a texture brush and then get more, but I think we're good here.
Yeah.
We're good
A
here.
texture brush?
Yeah,
Really?
like a texture brush, and then just put some on here, boom, 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 here and there, and make it more.
Oh, okay.
fine.
Okay, I see.
But I think we're okay here with what we got. So I think we're good to go for outside. There's somebody trying to get me for another job.